How to log in into Dayforce Payroll account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Dayroll Payroll account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and search for Dayforce Payroll account login. Then you'll find the website right here. Open up the website by Dayforce login. You can head over to this website directly as well. And now all you have to do is type in your company's name, whatever it is, then your username. Then after you type in your username, type in your password. Then tap on login and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's basically that simple and that easy. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.